Today we're going to show you how to create your consignment price tags. So what you're going to do is head to 406consignary.com. This is your laptop desktop version. If you guys are on a cell phone or a tablet, go ahead and hit that homepage. You're going to have our logo at the top as well as the little ice cream sandwich bar thing here on the right hand side. If you hit that button, that's going to pull up this whole menu up here at the top, and then the Consignor login button is always at the bottom of that secondary page. And pick your town, whichever town you registered in as your consignment city. Let's go ahead and log in. And we're going to use one of our sample accounts here. If you've forgotten your consignor number or your password, if you've registered and can't remember it, go ahead and hit that button. If you need hands-on help, go ahead and reach out to us directly. We have all of our socials. You can message us on Facebook, Insta. You can contact us through the website and all that sort of thing. So if you need help with that, you can click there and go ahead and log in. Alrighty, so this one, we want to make sure you register for the upcoming sale, and always be sure to read your stuff and make sure it's correct. So check your name for any typos. It has to be your real name that matches your bank account. That way you can cash or deposit your consignment checks when you get them. Mailing address, those change for people all the time. If you have moved or gotten a P.O. box or something, please be sure to update this to your best mailing address to receive a letter at. Because again, if you don't pick up your paycheck, we mail it using the USPS to that address that you have in the hub. Double check your email address. Always make sure if you're not getting our emails to move those to your primary box. And phone numbers here, anything that can receive a text message is our fave and the best one for you. All right, this is our consignor seller agreement. Make sure you sign that guy. And this is stuff that you just have to do the first time you log in. It's not an every time kind of thing. Alrighty, so here we go. We can go to our menu here. We want to make sure that we have a drop-off appointment, that we have a pickup appointment. That way the computer is going to automatically send us little reminders saying, hey, don't forget to bring your stuff, don't forget to pick it up. And so what we're going to do here is work with our consigned inventory. We're going to pretend that we have no tags from last season or anything else. So we're going to go to PC laptop version. I love the mobile voice entry, is my favorite. We have another tutorial video on how to do that to enter your tags. And it's my fave. It's the fastest for me, but if you're more of a person that likes to read and be hands-on, this option is fantastic. So best thing to know, always make sure that your categories match on your items. Do not put things under just generic accessories. If it's toys, please go ahead and scroll all the way down to toys. Super helpful if we know it's educational versus games and crafts, costumes, and all the things. So, all right, let's pretend that we are tagging girls' clothing, and let's say it's a 3T. Well, let's have it be a 2T. And on this first spot, we like to do Gap dress. And then this is so kind of like for the brand and the item is that first line. This is the only one that's mandatory. The second line is optional, but I always encourage folks to use it. It happens automatically when you're doing the voice entry with your mobile phone. But if you're typing it, let's just do a real quick description. So let's just say yellow, pink sundress. Just to kind of add a little more description. So if for whatever reason this were to get separated from your item and I have a yellow pink Gap sundress and a 2T in my lost and found, I will be able to sell that item if someone were to bring it up to the cash register because you did a really good job on your descriptions. So let's go ahead and do our prices. Best rule of thumb is whatever someone could have purchased this item for like roughly 30% to 50% off of what it would have been new, that's typically best consignment pricing. Obviously, if you have something kind of bougie or you're totally sick of storing the stuff, you can decide to price a little higher or a little more aggressively. So the quantity here, you select how many of them you have. We just have one of those today. The item can be discounted because I want it to go half price on Sunday. So things over here, you may not price an item less than $2 and you must price it at 50-cent increments. So it can be $2, $2.50, $3, $3.50, $5, $5.50, $20. or $20.50, like those kinds of things. Alrighty, so item can be discounted. I want that sucker to go half price on Sunday. So if it hasn't sold on Friday or Saturday, hopefully it'll go when it's half price. If I don't want that item back, I can hit that button to have it be donated. Alrighty, so here we have our first price tag. And let's go ahead and let's just make some more. Let's do Old Navy t-shirt. Let's see. Blue. Woohoo, I can type. Okay, blue, white, stripe, Old Navy t-shirt. And let's go ahead and put $2.50 on that sucker. And let's pretend that we have like 20 of them. Okay, and so here we go. On our screen though, oh no, we can only see the last 5 items, and people kind of go, oh shoot, all my items are disappearing at the bottom of my screen. Where'd they go? I can't scroll down. What you're gonna do is hit this button here that says only the last 5 items you have entered are shown below. Check that box to show all items, and then all of a sudden we magically have everything back. Okay, so here we go. Next thing to do is going to be print tags. That is going to be another tutorial because we like to show you guys you can print tags directly at your own computer, or you can download them as a PDF and email them to a print shop to have your tags done for you. All right, folks, we will see you here in the next video.